Beginner's keyboard course full explanation, easy to understand. Instructor Paul. Week 1. Getting started with the keyboard. Keyboard layout. This is the C, D, E, F, G, A, B. A keyboard is made of white keys, which are called the natural notes. Black keys are called the sharp or flat notes. The white keys repeat in this order: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Then another C starts again. Easiest way to find C: look for two black keys together. As you can see, the white key immediately to the left of them is C. Fingers number. Your fingers are numbered the same for both ends, right and left hand. Your finger 1 is the thumb, finger 2 index, finger 3 middle, finger 4 ring, finger 5 pinky. You always use these numbers to play smoothly without stress.